Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my another branch video. So this is Mahmoud bin Saleh in front of you, and now we have come here and we are going to make a real conversation for you. So in this video I will ask him some questions, especially how we can learn English language. So I think he will give these questions answer very well. So now let's go to the main topic. Okay, so first of all I want to say how are you?
In a word, today I'm over the moon.
Okay, that's really fantastic. So I have some questions. May I ask you?
Yeah, of course. You can ask me any question.
Okay, so my first question is that what is the best way to learn English language?
Okay, so this is an important question, I can say, because of, if I want to interpret the question, and if I want to interpret, and also if I want to answer your question, I think I need more time.
Yes.
But in a word, if I want to explore it, the best way to learn English is gonna be like, first of all, you have to listen.
Yes.
The main point. The first point is you have to listen anyhow, any cost. So if I will give you one example, just one example. In the past time, I have talked about the example so many time.
Yes.
Like when we was child, and when we was growing up gradually. At the meantime, actually, we listen so many things.
Yes.
From our neighborhoods, from our parents, and after that, when we was listening and we was trying to say pronounce a little by little word, like, right?
Yes, exactly.
Like, you can say what pani mom.
Water, yes.
Yeah, the children, they are pronouncing this water mom or something like that.
Yes.
Right? And day by day is going to gradually make them make sentence big. So that's the point, actually, I can say.
So that is really fantastic, my dear friends. Those are watching our video. You have got a great point that listening. So he's talking about listening. We have learned our Bengali language by listening from our mothers or fathers or sisters or brothers. For example, our fathers or mothers, they are talking about please baba baba abu abu, like,
Yeah.
this one,
Yes, of
right?
course.
So then we try to pronounce this word. So like this one, when you listen someone, you can also repeat after them, as well as by listening you can be able to speak in English, right?
Right.
Okay, so my next question is that actually many of we want to learn English within 3 months. So what will be your suggestion for them? Actually, is it really possible to learn within 3 months, or as well as what they have to do if they want to learn English within 3 months?
Okay, so first of all, I want to say that 3 months,
Yeah.
it's a huge time. 3 months, like 19 days.
Yes.
It's a huge time for learning English. If you take a good initiative day by day, or if you have to have the ability, you have to make yourself better. That you anyhow any cost you have to learn English.
Yes.
Within a short time, actually, you will get your fluency. Or after getting your fluency, you will be surprised that, oh my God, you are speaking English gradually.
Yeah.
Okay, so the first thing is 30 days. In 13 days, if anyone want to learn English, first of all, they have to take a good initiative, right? And you know that most we are getting or suffering so many obstacles for speaking English. Actually, we have a confused that we have a question that from where exactly we can speak or starting speaking English.
Yes.
So that's actually a big question, I can say, for the beginning of time, right? So first of all, and if you want to get a mentor, I think you will get so many suggestions from your mentor. If you
Yes.
will have a mentor, good mentor, it will be better for you. All right, so we have learned English, and we are making video just for, I can say, Khalid bin Saleh sir, because he was our mentor. Not only was, but also right now he's our mentor. Is still our mentor. So I think if you have a one mentor, one teacher, I think it will be better for you very much, because he will suggest you, he will guide you that from where you can practice, and which type of thing actually you should isolate from your side, from your life, from your daily life. So I think it will be better for you. And 13 days, actually, first of all, you have to listen a lot, and after that, gradually you can mimic their pronunciation. Like, we have so many videos on social media.
Yes.
So there are foreigner. Actually, they have made so many videos and they are uploading on social media. So if you will listen their video, and after that if you will try to mimic their pronunciation, how they have pronounced this word, this such kind of word, I think it will be better for you. So no need to 13 days, just I think I'm firmly believe that after 1 month, if you are if you are doing gradually this type of thing, you will get your fluency after 1 month, inshallah, I can say. And there you know that there are so many subjects are available, I think are available, like we have to learn we have to learn tense, we have to learn morals, we have to learn structure. So no need to learn so many structure, no need to learn grammar, just you have to listen, and after and by listening you can try to mimic or pronounce how they have pronounced this type of word. I think it will be better for you. And you know that practice makes man perfect. Without practicing is not possible. And most of the people actually they are want to get their they want to speak properly, but they are not well to, they are don't want to do hard work. Right,
Yes.
this is the actually biggest problem I can say, because most of we are trying to get our fluency within a very short time without work. Is it not possible? Right,
Absolutely.
so first of all you have to open your mouth if you want to speak in English, and that will be good for you. And actually this is the thing, actually from bottom of my heart, from bottom of my heart, I want to give you the suggestion that you have to open your mouth. Without opening your mouth it's not possible. Like, let me give you one example, Mahmoud. We are able to swim in the pond, right?
Yes.
So if I have one question, that if you will uh, think about it, you are not able to swim in the pond yet.
Yes.
So you want to you want to swim in the pond, all right, within a very short time, or I can say you want. So if you will write down on the paper how to swim in the pond, is it possible?
No.
So first of all, what should we do?
We have to go to pond for learning how to swim.
Okay, so that's the point. I think people,
Yes.
those who are watching this video, they have understood the point,
Yes,
that
absolutely.
if you want to speak English, you have to open your mouth. You have to speak in English. You have to try to speak English.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
that will be better for you.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay, so actually, if I'm not wrong, so he told that actually you need a good mentor who will guide you every time. So this is the first one, and second one is you have to try your level best. Actually, everything is possible if you just try your level best. Actually, he told that within 1 month you will be able to speak in English if you just try. And the third one is open your mouth. If you want to learn English but you want to speak in English, so how can it possible you will be able to speak in English? So the way he has given an example, that is we want to learn how to swim in the pond. So but if we just watch video that they're swimming like this one, oh my goodness, I can also do it. So it's not possible. You have to go and you have to practically, you have to see how to swim in the pond. And then when you will be able to go to pond, then it will be possible for you. So like this one, so we have to do it.
Yeah. And another one is, you told you told them that if
Yeah.
you want to swim in the pond, first of all you have to learn practically.
Yes.
And by learning swim, I think you will drink water like
Yeah,
in the
yes.
pond. There are so many water I think you will have drunk for learning swim. So English is not an alternative way. When you will when you try to speak English, you will get so many obstacles.
Yes.
You will you maybe you are facing so many problems. So no need to worry about this matter. Keep practicing. I think within a very short time you will get your fluency.
Oh, okay. There is an interesting thing, that
Yeah.
is, if we want to learn how to swim, we have to drink some water
Oh, you have
from
to
the
drink
pond.
some water from the pond.
So like this one, if we want to speak in English, you have to make mistake.
Make mistake.
So-
And you will get so many obstacles. I can
Yes.
say.
So without drinking water from the pond, you cannot be able to learn how to swim.
No.
Same like that. If you don't make mistake, you won't to be able to learn English. Oh
That's
my
the
goodness.
point.
So I think guys, those are watching my video, you have got a great tips and tricks, which is very productive, which you can also use. And as we have learned English, we have a vision to service the best services for the students. And right now we are both of working as an English instructor at English Message, which is very good institution in Jagdishpur, and inshallah within very short time in future we will make it the best institution in our Madhupur sub district at least. So thank you very much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.